Good morning, this is Joe. We're going on our weekly vlog number 2, and today's vlog will be coming to you from a bike ride I'll be doing, a short one on the Lincoln Highway. Been kind of a weird week. Friday I rode the bike in the afternoon and it was 88 degrees. Yesterday the high was 63. That's a big difference between 88 and 63. And it's early in the morning, a little after 9. Right now it's cloudy. Probably high 50s. We're supposed to get up to like 71 or 72 today. It'll be a good day. So stay with us, and I've got a couple videos to show you from the last week, and we'll see what happens. Shoot. Well, I switched over to my Cannondale mountain bike. Funny thing is, when I pulled down to my house, I played around with it and I got it to working. But I don't know for how long. It feels like there might be a gear or something that's slipping. Some kind of little catch or something in the shifting mechanism, and it when you get past that it works okay, probably till the next time you get around to that broken spot again. So I was switched over to my Cannondale Caffeine F4 mountain bike. I'm not running mountain bike tires on it right now, off-road tires. I've got road tires on it. Still has the hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear. When I bought the bike, I made sure I got 2 sets of wheels. I put knobby tires on one and road slicks on the other wheel, and all I gotta do is flip the quick release and change wheels from mountain bike to hybrid bike. Well, let me give you a quick view of the cameras I'll be using on my ride today, on my vlog. Down here you can see I got a GoPro Session 5 on a chest mount, Session 4 on a little selfie stick I made. And this is what I'll be doing my videos from today. And I'll probably also use my iPhone 6 once in a while. I always set it up somewhere, use it for something. And my first video today, yesterday I went over to Tomlinson Run State Park to fly my Unique drone, Unique Breeze 4K, and I went up to the upper picnic grounds. It's a really nice area. Tomlinson Run is behind Chester, West Virginia. And then I took the drone down to the near the lake where people fish. There's a big open field, and I flew some down there. Let's take a look at some of those videos. Also, yesterday at September 22nd, Saturday, we also went to Oktoberfest over at the City Park in East Liverpool, Thompson Park, and I didn't shoot any video where they were selling the beer and all the food. There was quite a bit of that, and there was a couple of places that requested that no photography take place, probably because of people drinking. I mean, there was police there. You were allowed to drink in a certain area. It's well taken care of, but to respect people's privacy, I didn't take any video there. But where the crafts were and some of the activities, I shot some videos there. So let's see a couple clips from that. We're in East Liverpool, Ohio, at the Oktoberfest. There's more going on over the hill. Over here's where the kids are eating. Hi. We're in East Liverpool, Ohio. Well, that's weekly vlog number 2. This is Joe. Thanks for coming along with us on a ride today. If you like the videos, let me know. Hit like, hit subscribe if you'd like to see more. Hopefully I'll be getting them out about every week or so. And I really appreciate you watching my videos. Hope everything's good where you are. Bye now.